Hello everyone, this is part 3 of my battery powered air conditioning unit, and I had to make some changes. So just to let you know, I had to put 2 solar controller boxes for the 9 solar panels that I installed up on top of the roof to split the workload, because one was just getting a little bit too hot. So as for one workload, divide that by 2, then it even out the heat. Much cooler now. So now we're going to go ahead and turn on the air conditioner. We're going to make it cold. Kick on the compressor. There we go. The left solar controller panel is for the left bank of batteries. The right is to measure the right bank, because it takes 2 big batteries to run the AC compressor. It's not very sunny today. It's actually early in the morning, but I want to go ahead and turn it on and show y'all what some changes I did. Thanks for watching.